So what in the world does a fresh batch of chocolate chip cookies have to do with investing? They just might be the perfect illustration of another principle every investor should know. The smell of fresh baked chocolate chip cookies takes me straight back to my childhood. And often, my mother would use Nestlé Toll House chocolate chips. Now, Nestlé is a Swiss-owned company, although they've been selling their products in America for many years and have become part of our everyday life. Perhaps you buy your baking supplies from Trader Joe's, which is a German-owned company, and bake your chocolate chip cookies in an oven made by Samsung, which is a Korean-owned company. As investors, it's important to realize that many of the products we buy every day are from companies that are headquartered all over the world. We don't limit our consumption to only U.S. companies, so why should we limit our investment portfolios to only U.S. companies? Instead, we should invest in the greatest companies of America and the rest of the world in order to maximize the potential of our portfolios. We like to think of the United States as a world leader, but over the past several decades, America has never been the #1 market in terms of annualized investment performance. Now, no one knows what the future will bring, but if you invest broadly across the globe, then you don't have to worry so much about any one company or any one country experiencing losses. Keep in mind, though, that investing in international stocks can be riskier than the U.S. due to currency and political risks. That's why it's very important to consider carefully how to allocate between the U.S. and international stocks. But the principle is invest globally.